Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a film burn transition with sound effects in CapCut. This is a fun way to give your videos a vintage, cinematic vibe. First, place the video clips you want to transition between onto your timeline. Now, import a film burn video. Then drag it onto your timeline above your clips. If you don't have one, there's a link below where you can find a film burn overlay with sound effects. Position the overlay so it lines up right between your two clips for a smooth transition, and if needed, trim it to fit the exact moment of the change. Select the film burn video and head over to the settings panel. Look for the blend option and click on it. For the mode, choose Screen or experiment with other blend modes to see which effect you like best. You can also adjust the opacity to control the brightness or intensity of the transition. Play back your transition to see how it all flows with the sound effect. And that's it. You've added a film burn transition with sound in CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.